Hey guys, thanks for joining us here at Alpha Investors Club, where today we will be reviewing EOS cryptocurrency. EOS is a blockchain technology platform that revolves around the use of EOS tokens. EOS tokens were launched this past summer after a successful ICO. Today, the token has a market cap of over 500 million USD dollar, putting it in the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. EOS is similar to Ethereum. Like Ethereum, EOS is a smart contract hosting platform designed for open source projects and consumer facing decentralized apps. The goal of EOS at launch was to take market share from Ethereum while promising a more scalable blockchain with better usability for large scale businesses. In short, EOS is a new take on Ethereum's virtual machine. Unlike Ethereum's virtual machine, which acts as a distributed global supercomputer, EOS is built around a distributed operating system like construct where developers can build apps. The platform was created by the Block.one team. How does EOS work? EOS is a platform where developers can build decentralized apps. EOS token holders can stake their coins to fund application development on the EOS network. Meanwhile, users can participate in EOS apps for free without needing to purchase EOS tokens. Instead of charging users a fee to take action in the EOS network, EOS proof of stake system ensures that bandwidth, computation, and storage capacity are allocated in proportion to the amount of EOS staked within an application. A key part of EOS is the delegated proof of stake consensus algorithm. This is designed to meet the performance requirements of decentralized apps on the blockchain, including the handling of millions of users. The EOS blockchain produces blocks every 3 seconds. Exactly one producer is authorized to produce a block at any given point in time. If the block is not produced at the scheduled time, then the block is skipped. Blocks are produced in rounds of 21. 21 unique block producers are chosen at the start of each round. The top 20 by the total approval are automatically chosen every round, and the last producer is chosen proportional to the number of votes relative to other producers. The selected producers are shuffled using a random number, and this shuffling ensures that all producers maintain balanced connectivity to all other producers. One of the unique advantages of the EOS blockchain is that it does not experience any forks. That's because block producers cooperate to produce blocks rather than compete. In the event there is a fork, consensus automatically switches to the longest chain. EOS also has another nifty feature called transaction as proof of stake or TAPOS. EOS software requires every transaction to include the hash of a recent block header. This hash prevents a replay of a transaction on forks that do not include the reference block. The hash also signals the network that a particular user and their stake are on a specific fork. The EOS white paper goes into further technical details about TAPOS and EOS unique delegated proof of stake. EOS features. EOS emphasizes all of the following features, including first, scalable. EOS is capable of supporting thousands of commercial scale decentralized apps, parallel execution, asynchronous communication, and other features also boost the scalability of the platform. Plus, EOS can separate authentication from execution. Second, flexible. EOS offers generalized role-based permissions, the ability to freeze and fix broken applications, and a WebAssembly platform, making it a flexible option for decentralized app developers. Third, usable. EOS has a web toolkit for interface development along with self-describing interfaces, self-describing database schemes, and a declarative permission scheme. Fourth, equal opportunity. EOS tokens have no predetermined price, and the price of the token is set by market demand. This is designed to mimic mining without giving unfair advantages to large purchasers. It's more democratic. Fifth, broad distribution. The EOS token distribution is taking place over a 341-day period. This is designed to give the community ample time to familiarize with the project and participate in the distribution. As of November 2017, there's a circulating supply of approximately 448 million EOS out of the total supply of 1 billion EOS. A countdown timer on EOS.io shows you each stage of the token sale. Right now, it's on a period 132 over 350 with 2 million EOS tokens being released during this period. To learn more about EOS, visit the official website at eos.io today. So thanks for tuning in and be sure to join our Alpha Investors email list. That's alphainvestors.club. Stay tuned for our next review.